GoHighLevel lead nurturing. Let's make it simple and useful. In this video, I will walk you step by step through a practical lead nurturing flow that you can set up right now, even if you have never used an automation tool before. You will learn how to keep leads warm, build trust, and turn casual visitors into a paying clients without spending hours every day on follow-ups. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify tools and the technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss the next guide. And if you use our link in the description, you will be able to use the 30 days free trial and the live bootcamp and also get the exclusive bonuses. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Now just imagine someone visits your website and fill out a contact form. That moment is gold, but it's also the fragile. So if you don't follow up fast, they lose interest. So step 1 is immediate contact and set up an automation in GoHighLevel to send a quick email with a welcome mail, and maybe it's a short message like the SMS right after the form is submitted. So keep the message friendly and say thanks and tell them when to expect the next step. This first task builds the trust and shows you're responsive. Step 2 is education. After that initial contact, wait about 1 or 2 days and then send content that helps them to solve a small problem related to your service. This can be a short guide, a video, or a helpful checklist. So use GoHighLevel workflow to schedule this automatically and add a condition so only those who didn't book a call get the educational content. The goal here is to give the value without asking for anything heavy. People remember value. Step 3 is the social proof. A couple of days later, GoHighLevel send a message with a customer story, a short case study, or a testimonial video. This is where you show a real result and let your work speak for itself. If someone clicks or engages, then use the workflow condition to tag them as high interest, so you can treat them differently later. Step 4 is the call to action. If they have shown interest, opened emails, click your link, or watched the video, then send a proposal invitation to book a call. So use the appointment automation, the calendar link, automatic reminder, and a thank you message once they schedule. If they don't respond, set a polite reminder sequence that nudges but does not annoy. Finally, step 5 is nurture or recycle. If they convert, move them into your client onboarding workflow. If they don't, put them on a long-term nurture list that sends helpful tips every few weeks. Also set up a review or feedback request later that keeps relationship alive and can turn quiet leads into returning customers. So that's a simple step-by-step lead nurturing system in GoHighLevel. It's immediate contact, helpful education, social proof, clear to call to action, and long-term nurture. Set it up once, let it run, and watch how your lead warm up on autopilot. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to try, check the link in the description, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.